Would you have done a better job than Joan Burton?
God, I don't know. I ran for the leadership because I thought I could do a good job and give a certain presentation of the party in terms of what our beliefs are and what we can do in this country, and we've done a huge amount. I think we'll do better than 7% in the general election.
But it sort of says that she hasn't done a good job. Really,
I don't think so. The leader is only one part of a political party's presentation. So I think if you look, for example, if you want to assess the leaders, of course, if you look at the same polls, ask a question about the leader, popularity of leaders, she's right up there with the other leaders. So I don't think it can be attributed to the leader. I think that we have a job to do in this general election to demonstrate how critical we've been to this government, how critical the presence of Labour and the strength of Labour's position in government has affected decisions that this government has had to make. Difficult decisions, yes, in some cases, but also very progressive ones in other cases where we protected people against the worst ravages of a shocking economic collapse, and where we now have a country that's actually able to face the future with some optimism, and where we have people back at work, where we have a chance to invest in our economy. You asked me about broadband, energy policy, all of the things that we need to invest in to make this a great country. I think Labour is indispensable to that.
Joan Burton said that she was looking to get all of the Labour TDs and senators re-elected. Now, of course, she would say that, but that's not realistic, really, is it?
Well, it'll be difficult. It'll be difficult. Yeah, it'll be difficult to imagine that everybody. Of course, not everybody's running, so they can't all be re-elected if they're not running. I think we can do better than some of our critics are saying or hoping. I think that we can aspire to winning a seat in most, if not all, constituencies in the Dublin area, for example. And I think that we can do well where we have TDs in place that have strong reputations, that have longevity there and incumbency. And I think we've got a lot of new people running as well. I think we'll do a lot better than people think.
How many seats?
I don't know how many seats. I don't know how many seats.
What would you like
to see? I don't know. Well, I'd like to see us having 27 seats, of course. 27, 30 seats, that'd be terrific. But breaking the 20 barrier would be pretty good.
Okay, all right.